Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. So I am so sorry to be doing my intro like this, but I tried to record it and for some odd reason the audio wasn't working. So yeah, this is gonna be the intro for this video. My apologies, but I am super excited to be doing this video for you guys because this is my first Halloween tutorial of 2018. I really loved how this look turned out and I hope you guys do too. If you did, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. So yeah, just getting into the tutorial now. I used tape at the outer corner of my eyes because I love the way that tape makes your eyeshadow look. It just makes it look so like crisp and nice. So I am going in with the e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette. It's a new palette from e.l.f. and it launched online. I'm not sure it's in stores yet, but it only retails for $14. And I got to use it on one of my clients the other day and it was so nice, so I wanted to use it on myself. And I'm going in with the color Sassy first and just blending that all throughout my crease, making it look really smoked out and blended. So then from the same palette, I'm going in with the color Spice. It's just a darker orange shade. And I'm going to be focusing that mainly in the outer corner and then blending it. But I'm not going to take it as high as the lighter orange that we put in there. On a side note, while you just sit here and watch me blend, does anybody know what they're going to be for Halloween this year? Because this is the first year that I'm like, and I don't know. Like, I just really don't know what I'm going to be this year and it's stressing me out. Usually every year, I already know what I'm going to be. I usually know it before months before Halloween even is here, but I don't know what I'm going to be this year, you guys. I don't know if I just want to do my makeup cute like this or like go all out like I did last year. I'm not sure, but tell me what you guys are going to be in the comments down below. Then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Concealer, and just in case you guys are wondering, I am in the color Light Neutral, and I'm just cutting out my crease with this, obviously with a little small brush. I'm not making this look super pigmented, like I'm not going to build up the concealer too thick, just because I personally don't like it, and I think it messes with my eyeshadow a little bit. Alright, so I am using quite a few palettes here, but I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Soph X palette, and I just haven't got to use this a lot since I bought it, and I bought it a while ago, but I'm going in with the white shade to put in my inner corner. I tried a brush and I tried my finger, but honestly it wasn't really that pigmented, so that was kind of annoying. It took me a lot to even build up the color. And also, I'm really sorry that I'm sometimes like out of frame or only halfway in frame. Like, I promise you guys, I really am trying for you guys. I'm trying like better lighting and I'm really trying to like make sure I'm in the frame. Like, ugh, I'm trying, okay? It's so hard. Okay, so I'm pretty sure everybody has seen this palette at least once on YouTube, but it's the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm just using one shade out of it. I'm using the yellow shade. I really do love this palette, don't get me wrong, but the shadows are a little bit hard to work with. Like, this yellow wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be, and it was kind of hard to blend. Then I'm going in with the Stila Cosmetics glitter eyeshadow, and I'm taking the color Diamond Dust on a really skinny brush. I use this brush for really like small detailing, and I'm basically using it for like an eyeliner brush right now because I don't want this to be super thick in the crease. Boom, I'm back. Okay, so I just went ahead and applied my eyeliner and eyelashes off of camera. I'm using the Ardell Wispies and the NYX black eyeliner. Going back in with the cheeky color from the e.l.f. palette, I'm literally just running that one color all underneath my lash line. Going back in with that Makeup Revolution palette, I'm taking the third color. I'm sorry, but this palette does not have any names to it, but it's a really pretty like champagne-y shimmery color, and I'm just applying that underneath my brow bone, and I'm also going to be applying just a tiny bit in the inner corner. Also, don't forget to apply your bottom mascara. I'm using the Gigi Hadid mascara from Maybelline. And then I'm going in with the NYX eyeliners. I have the white, orange, and yellow one, and they're called the Vivid Brights. And then the white one is the white liquid eyeliner blank. I don't know. It's like it's the same brand. It's NYX, but it's not from the same line. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So basically my technique for this candy corn is not to make it look so boxy, to make it look more rounded. Right here I'm just like fanning myself to make it dry faster. But you'll see with the yellow that I'm going to be putting on next, I'm trying to like not make it look so boxy and like so much like a triangle. I want it to be like rounded. Once again, sorry for not being like in frame. Like, I really hate that I wasn't in frame for this part. It sucks, but I'm trying for you guys, I promise. And then you can see me go in with that white. I'm just putting the tiniest bit of white just to make the top of the candy corn. And once again, I'm trying my hardest to not make it look so much like a triangle. I will be obviously doing the tip a little bit sharper, but all like together, I want it to look more rounded. So yeah, after you're done with the candy corn, you're basically done. I think that this look turned out super cute. Honestly, I would wear this out for any day in October because it's honestly super wearable. That's so annoying. I literally wonder how many times I said honestly in this video. That's embarrassing. But anyways, but I really love how this look turned out. I really hope you guys did too. If you did, definitely let me know by giving it a thumbs up like I said. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Love you guys. Bye.